Okay, now we're going to take a look here at crude oil on a 15-minute chart going over the last 2 weeks. One of the things that we always watch for when we're looking for trading is the symmetry in the market. Symmetry is the time that we see these moves that are very, very equal. You'll notice there's one right here, there's one right here, and there's one right here. They're absolutely perfectly equal. So that tells us that we have 3 equal moves that are occurring at any particular time, and they are tradable. And the reason why they are tradable, because if you take those distances from the high to the low, you'll see that that retracement is going to be a 61% retracement. As you can see, it was right here, and here it was again right here. What's interesting about this is the slopes of these lines, you see it takes about the same amount of time to get there. That's where the harmony comes into the market. The geometry is the amount of swings that you have between your low points and your high points. In other words, this move right here to there will be 1.618. And if you mark it from here to here, you'll see it's exactly 1.618. So we're doing the same thing over and over again, watching this symmetry and harmony that occurs over and over again. You'll notice here at the very bottom, this was a 1.618, and the reason why it was the 1.618 of that move right there, and that's why we had some type of a potential bottom happening in the crude oil at this particular time. Now, the one thing that you want to do is when you see a major one down here like this, you should go to your daily chart just to see if there's anything there. And as you can see here, we have tweezer bottoms right at a 78% level. Folks, this is a spot where crude oil should have a very good rally for. I mean, it's got everything you could ask for. If you go down to the smaller time frame that we're in, you're also going to see here that we have higher bottoms coming in here now, which is good. This is the first time we've had that. The last rally that we had, if you'll notice, also made a perfect A, B, C, D. That was the high of the day today, as you can see. So we're watching this very closely on Monday for a potential good rally in crude oil. But anything below $45 a barrel, it's in big, big trouble. So that's what we're watching here in crude oil. So live every day in an attitude of gratitude and make